Free installation across India. Please call +91 95245 00088 to register for installation. Working hours, Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also register your installation through WhatsApp. Please drop a message with name, order ID, contact number and address on +91 62838 to 22621. Warranty details: 3-year motor warranty, 1-year parts warranty and lifetime frame warranty. Technical feature: time, speed, distance, calorie, pulse, fat measure. Running surface: LXB 1100 x 390 mm, 43.3 x 15.3.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,